Want to change your name on Facebook in 2025? This video will guide you step by step in the easiest way. Before we start, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. So, as always, let's start from the beginning. First of all, open the Facebook app. After opening the app, go to the top right corner and go to your profile. Once you're in your profile, scroll down. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, open the Settings option. In Settings, under the Account Center section, go to Personal Details. In Personal Details, you will find the Profiles option. Profiles means your personal pages on Facebook where your info, posts, and photos are shown. You can create and manage different profiles for different parts of your life, like work, hobbies, or family. Once you're in Profiles, make sure to select your Facebook profile. On your Facebook profile page, you'll see the Name option. Quickly go into the Name option and change your first name, middle name, and surname. After entering your nice name, press the Review Change button at the bottom. Now, Facebook will show you a preview of your new name. This lets you see exactly how your updated name will appear before saving it. Finally, click Save Change and enjoy Facebook with your new name. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video.